In this video, I'll show you how to get your Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App step by step. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the bank icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the Money section of the app. Now scroll down until you see the Bitcoin option and tap on it. This will bring you to the Bitcoin page, where all of the features related to Bitcoin are located. From here, scroll down until you see the option that says Deposit Bitcoin. Right underneath, you'll see the text that says Get your Bitcoin address. Tap on this option. A menu will pop up from the bottom of your screen with two choices. Select the one labeled Bitcoin address. Cash App will then display your Bitcoin wallet address, and you'll also see a copy icon right next to it. Tap the copy icon to copy your Bitcoin wallet address to your clipboard. There's also another way to find your Bitcoin address in Cash App. Go back to the main Bitcoin page, and this time tap on the two arrows icon, one pointing up and the other pointing down. A menu will appear with two options, Send and Receive. Tap on Receive. This will bring up a page showing your Bitcoin address in two forms, as a QR code that you can scan, and as a regular text address that you can copy. If you want to copy it, just tap the copy icon in the top right corner of the screen. That way, you'll have your Bitcoin address saved and ready to use whenever you need to receive Bitcoin into your Cash App account. And that's it. You now know how to find and copy your Bitcoin wallet address in Cash App using two different methods. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.